This is the XYZ. We are sorry, but we are currently experiencing technical difficulties. We are trying our best to return to the live feed of Logo Rush. Until then, here's some music.
Spin Master Mugen.
This is the XYZ. Again, we are sorry for the pulse on the live feed of Logo Rush, as we are currently experiencing technical difficulties. This is the XYZ. Once again, we are sorry for the technical defunct that caused the loss of Logo Rush. I'm not sure how to tell you this, guys, but I am getting told that there was an explosion at Entertainment One Studios in Canada, where Logo Rush is filmed at. This is currently unconfirmed by local police, but we hope to get an update soon as possible. This is the XYZ. We are sorry, but we are unable to return to Logo Rush due to unforeseen circumstances. We have an official update regarding the incident at Entertainment One Studios. It reads, "We would like to confirm that an incident has taken place on our premises, where the Logo Rush is filmed. Earlier this evening there was an explosion which caused a power outage inside the building. Our emergency staff is currently working alongside local law enforcement to make sure of anyone's safety and well-being at the time of the incident." What? You've got to be kidding me. I am sorry to announce this, but there's been a second explosion outside of Entertainment One Studios. If you know anyone that was present at the Logo Rush tonight, please make sure they're safe and sound. We'll be bringing more updates on this terrible incident as soon as we can. You're watching the XYZ. This is an emergency broadcast from the XYZ. We regret to inform you guys that there have been two explosions at Entertainment One Studios, the place where the Logo Rush is filmed. One explosion occurred inside of the studio, and the other outside of the building. We have been informed that the first explosion occurred during the live broadcast of Logo Rush, while the second explosion occurred 5 minutes later, this time outside of the building. We are not sure what caused the explosions or how much damage it caused. What we do know is that both explosions have resulted in a huge power outage and the evacuation of the studio. We can confirm that the hosts, contestants, judges, and most of the audience have been safely evacuated. We are thankful for the swift actions of the emergency services who have been working alongside Entertainment One Studios staff to ensure the safety of everyone at the incident. We urge everyone to avoid the nearby vicinities of Entertainment One Studios, as it is currently being treated as a crime scene. Local law enforcement are investigating the cause of the explosions and will provide updates as they become available. We want to assure you guys that we are trying everything in our power to bring the latest information on this developing situation. We are working closely with Canadian authorities to provide any information they may need in their investigations. Our thoughts and prayers are with anyone who has been affected by this terrible incident, and we extend our deepest sympathies to all those involved. We want to express our gratitude to the Canadian Emergency Services, the staff of Entertainment One Studios, and anyone who have assisted in response efforts. We ask you to stay tuned for information on this ongoing situation. Please guys, remain calm and follow the instructions of emergency services. Your safety is the most important to us. We will provide updates as they become available, and ask for your patience and cooperation during this time. And now to calm you guys down after that horrible incident, here is Creature Comforts.